Imagine walking into a room and looking up, not at a plain, unremarkable ceiling, but at a stunning display of craftsmanship and geometry. That's the transformative power of coffered ceilings. For centuries, these architectural marvels have graced the halls of palaces, libraries, and elegant homes, turning ordinary rooms into extraordinary spaces. Today, coffered ceilings are making a comeback, combining timeless beauty with modern innovation. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new space, adding a unique coffered ceiling can take your interiors to the next level, offering sophistication, depth, and a sense of grandeur that few other design elements can achieve. But what exactly is a coffered ceiling? At its core, a coffered ceiling features a grid of sunken panels, usually in the shape of squares or rectangles, framed by beams. This creates a pattern that draws the eye upward, giving the illusion of height and adding visual interest. Traditionally constructed from wood, today's coffered ceilings can be crafted from a variety of materials, including plaster, composite, and even lightweight polyurethane, making this look accessible to a wide range of budgets and tastes. Coffered ceilings can be subtle and understated, or ornate and dramatic, and the choice of finish, color, and pattern allows for endless customization. One of the most compelling reasons to consider a coffered ceiling is its ability to define and elevate a space. In an open-concept living area, for example, a coffered ceiling can create a sense of separation between the living room and dining area, without the need for walls or dividers. The grid pattern adds structure and rhythm to the ceiling, drawing attention to the architecture of the room. In a bedroom, a coffered ceiling can add warmth and intimacy, turning a simple sleeping area into a luxurious retreat. Even a home office can benefit from the elegance and gravitas that a coffered ceiling brings, inspiring creativity and focus. For those seeking a truly unique look, the design possibilities are virtually limitless. Modern coffered ceilings break free from traditional square grids. Hexagonal, octagonal, or even circular patterns offer a fresh, contemporary twist. Picture a ceiling where the panels radiate from a central chandelier, creating a dynamic sense of movement. Or imagine a minimalist design, where slim beams in a simple grid are paired with recessed lighting for a sleek, modern effect. You might opt for contrasting colors, the beams painted in a deep, dramatic hue, while the panels remain crisp and white. Alternatively, natural wood tones can bring warmth and texture, making the ceiling a focal point. But aesthetics are just the beginning. Coffered ceilings can also improve the acoustics of a room, reducing echoes and making large spaces feel more comfortable. The beams and panels break up sound waves, helping to create a quieter, more intimate environment. This makes coffered ceilings an excellent choice for home theaters, libraries, or any space where you want to control noise levels. Installation methods have evolved, making it easier than ever to achieve the look of a coffered ceiling. For new construction, coffered ceilings can be integrated directly into the architectural plans. For renovations, prefabricated kits and lightweight materials can be installed over existing ceilings, minimizing disruption and cost. Skilled carpenters can work with you to create custom designs, ensuring that the ceiling perfectly complements your home's style and character. Lighting is another key element in maximizing the impact of a coffered ceiling. Recessed lights can be discreetly nestled within the panels, casting a soft, even glow. Cove lighting, hidden strips of LEDs along the beams, can add drama and depth, highlighting the ceiling's geometry. Pendant lights or chandeliers can be centered within a panel for a striking focal point. The interplay of light and shadow across the beams and panels brings the ceiling to life, changing the mood of the room throughout the day. Maintenance is surprisingly straightforward. With proper installation and finishing, coffered ceilings require little more than routine dusting and occasional repainting. Their sturdy construction ensures longevity, and the timeless appeal of the design means you'll enjoy your ceiling's beauty for years to come. Coffered ceilings are not limited to grand homes or formal spaces. Even smaller rooms can benefit from the pattern and depth they provide. In a cozy study, a simple grid of beams can add architectural interest without overwhelming the space. In a kitchen, coffered ceilings can conceal wiring or ductwork, while providing a stylish upgrade. Bathrooms, often overlooked in ceiling design, can be transformed with moisture-resistant materials and thoughtful patterns, turning utilitarian spaces into spa-like retreats. Beyond residential use, coffered ceilings are finding their way into restaurants, hotels, and offices, where they create an atmosphere of luxury and distinction. They offer a memorable experience for guests and clients, setting a tone of refinement and attention to detail. In a world where so many interiors look alike, a coffered ceiling offers a way to express your unique taste and personality. Every detail, from the size and shape of the panels to the materials and finishes, can be tailored to reflect your vision. Perhaps you're inspired by classic European architecture, or maybe you prefer a bold, modern aesthetic. With coffered ceilings, the only limit is your imagination. As you consider your next home improvement project, don't overlook the ceiling. It's often called the fifth wall, and with good reason. It's a blank canvas just waiting for inspiration. Transforming your space with a unique coffered ceiling can change the way you experience your home, adding value, beauty, and a sense of timeless elegance. If you're ready to make a statement, start by exploring designs that resonate with you. Consult with a professional to discuss your space, budget, and style. Whether you opt for a subtle pattern or a bold artistic arrangement, a coffered ceiling is an investment in both aesthetics and quality of life. In the end, it's about creating a space that feels truly special. A place where every glance upward is met with wonder and appreciation. With a unique coffered ceiling, your home becomes not just a place to live, but a work of art, one that inspires, delights, and welcomes you every day.